so I just bought some LED turn signals for it. Got the LED headlight. Man, that thing is so bright. Jeez Louise. That thing is a bright. But I bought the LEDs for the front, for the turn signals. And I bought the ones for the back. I think it gives it more of a classier look. It's definitely an upgrade compared to the stock bulbs. And then with those two in the back, those two in the front was, I think, $17. And then I bought a resistor just like this. It's a 7-pin resistor. This is the original. It was $13 on Amazon. So with those and the resistor, it came out to be $28. And then I went on eBay. They gave me 2 of the headlights, but I didn't get, let me turn that off, it's bright. I didn't get the low beam, the high beam. So that's just normal, but it's bright enough. But I did get these 2 lights right here. I got those at O'Reilly's. They were $17 just for them 2, but it gives it a better look. I didn't want to have LEDs and then 2 normal ones in the front, so I got those also. But put that resistor in, man, take the seat off right under the seat. Can't miss it. It's the only one that looks like that down there. And it took 7 seconds. But I think it gives it a better look. Put that on there. Then put the other LEDs on it. Gives it a really nice look, especially during the nighttime. I think it makes it look cleaner. Got a cleaner look to it. Shake them haters off. I want to get exhaust next, but I don't know which one. So I want to get it a little louder. But shoot me something in the comments. Let me know which exhaust to get. Probably the M4 is probably the cheapest, but I don't know. Hit me up. Let me know what you think. Peace.